All right, question 8 says Kara is sorting her collection of school supplies. She places all supplies on a shelf that can hold a maximum of 24 pounds. Her collection includes books and binders. Each binder weighs 1 pound, and each book weighs 4 pounds. Select the possible number of books that could be on one shelf. So I know that each book weighs 4 pounds. That's what I'm going to focus on. And I know that the maximum is 24 pounds. So I'm going to use a variable to represent my number of books. I'll just use X. And if my maximum number is 24 pounds, well, I know that however much my books weigh, it has to be less than or equal to 24 because this is my maximum number. If it was over 24, the shelf couldn't hold it. It would be too much weight. So I'm going to use this inequality to help me solve my problem. And if I look at Desmos, I see that I'm going to get X is less than or equal to 6 because that's where my graph crossed the X-axis. Now it's asking me to select all of the possible numbers of books that could be on one shelf. So if she had one book, it would only be 4 pounds. If she had 2 books, it would only be 8 pounds. So I could have 1 book, I could have 2 books. If she had 3 books, it would be 4 times 3, which is 12 pounds. So I'm looking for any number of books that gives me a weight that's less than 24 pounds. And that's going to be any of my X values down here. So really 0 to 6. You would check all of these boxes that are 0 to 6. You wouldn't check 7 because 4 times 7 books weighing 4 pounds each would give me a weight of 28 pounds. And that is going to be too much for the shelf to hold because it's more than 24 pounds. Okay, so anything above 6 does not work. Anything under 6 does work because it'll reach the weight limit.